Hi friends, welcome to Tutor's Funny channel. Today I am going to teach how to make the age calculator system in Java. So this is the one. Okay, you can go to the file, new project, Java with and Java application, click next, create main task, you can check it, age calculator. Finish it. So age calculator. Here select the source package, default package, right click new, JFrame form, select age calculator. Click finish. Okay, first what I'm going to do is we need a label. This label I'm going to name it as age calculator system. Click on this, right click properties, bold 18, click OK. I think this size 24. Okay, right. Now we set the right position over here. After that, what I'm going to do is drag the label. This label I'm going to name it as, here you have to name it as this one, as you have to add your date of birth. Date of birth. Select this one, properties, bold, select the text field, right click, properties, bold 14, right click, edit text, backspace to remove the exist text, select again, txt, birth, your right birth. Now to drag the button. So we have to find the age. So write a OK button to find the age. Simply you have to find the age. So double click on that button. So before that we have to select this one, frame. Go to source code, Control F, UI, metal. Select this one, properties, when you can see like this window, double click on that OK button. So what I'm going to do is here, you write local date DOB equal local date to implement this namespace. Click on it, pass. First what I'm going to do is we have to this text box field we have to assign it. You write text dot get text. Get text, so you have to write get text. You have to write get text. You have to write this one as a int. You have to write date. So write integer passing date. You have to put the date over here. Date, time, formatter. Dot write date, time, formatter. Dot. You have to write what's the problem here. You have to import that formatter. You have to add this namespace. After that, you have to write dot of pattern month, year, month, date. Right? The date. And if you have to make this one as a string, it's not problem. String, you have to write this one as a string. We don't need this one. That would be fine. Okay. No int. Now what I am going to do is now I want to calculate that one. Age. We have to calculate that one. Now you have to type over here, but you right here, you right here, as age, you right age equal this one dot between DOB now. Right, now you have to write this one, you have to implement this one. Okay, now here this is the local time. Okay, this is DOB. Here now you have calculated the from the date of birth what you are selected from now mean now the present time. So we have to generate it as a option pan dot show message dialog. This age you have dialog here. Here this one should be you have write this. Let's run the project. You have to write this. You have to use this one as a our age. Dot date. Click on it. What is this? It is here 99. Here it is 39. Age, you can see the 2 months here 24 day. It will be generated like this. So here you have to generate it on that simply you write like this. Simple modification I made this one. So this one you have to get this age. You have to get it the year, get years, get months, and get days. We are in Java. We have this age, this if you write this class, we have these methods in order to get the years and months and dates. Putting to the respective variables here, you have to pass it over here. Your age is years, out of the months and days. Let's check it. Okay, 39 years, 2 months and 24 dates. This is my date. Thank you for watching. If you love my channel, please subscribe me, like me. Thank you for watching.